everybody, it's Jackie, and tomorrow is Thursday, aka August 1st, which means it is the Core and Booty Challenge month. And I'm so excited. We're going to be doing our squats and our crunches all month long. We're going to start out with 20 the first day of each, and we're going to increase by 5 each day. So by the end of the month, we'll be doing about 170 of each, which, don't freak out, we're going to build up our muscle. It's going to be good. So I want you to get involved. I want you to get a friend to get involved. So there also is a contest. You don't have to be in the contest to do the challenge, but who doesn't want to win a prize? So really the only thing I want you to do is be subscribed to the channel, like the challenge videos, and do the challenge. So you can do it alone, you can do it with a friend, whatever you want to do, but that's how you win a prize. If you don't care about that part and you just want to work out with me, let's do it. So like I said, we're going to start out with 20 on the first day, so that would be August 1st, doing 20 squats and 20 crunches. Doing them at one time is going to be the best. You can do them in sets if you'd like, but it's only 20. That kind of matters more for when we're increasing though. So the first day we're going to start out with 20 squats and 20 crunches, and then the next day go to 25 of each, the next day 30 of each, and so on and so forth. So with this challenge, you are allowed to have one rest day a week, and you can choose whatever day you want, but just go ahead and stick with the calendar dates. So if you choose to skip Tuesday, August 6th, for example, you're supposed to do 45 of each that day. You then would skip on to the next day when you come back, which would be 50. So you go from 40 squats and crunches, skip the day, and then do 50 of each. So just kind of follow the calendar as it is. In the contest and win a prize, go ahead and follow the rules to that. And it's going to be great. We start tomorrow, and I expect you to be doing this. And get a friend involved. Do it with someone. It'll be great. See you tomorrow. No, I won't. See you on Sunday. Bye.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!